So Amanda, tell us a little bit about yourself and People's Press.
My name is Amanda DeRogers. I started People's Press 2 years ago now. We make cold pressed juices, superfood smoothies, soul bowls, which are acai bowls. We also have avocado toast.
And you make everything right here in downtown New Bedford?
Yes.
That's amazing. Yes. What made you want to get a security system for your new business?
I grew up in the area, being downtown a lot and seeing the crime that goes on from other businesses.
Yeah.
It just was something that I didn't want to deal with.
So how do you use the camera as far as managing your business day to day?
The camera's great because I'll go to farmers markets and I'll have to leave the shop when people are working.
Yeah.
And we're open. So I can check out the camera on my phone. I can tell if it's busy or not, like how many people are in the shop, if I have to rush back, you know, or if I can like kind of finish setting up slowly at the farmers markets and then come back.
That's awesome.